So we have
Mm.
effects of mental well-being. It causes annoyance and frustration, can lead to depression over time. Affects the overall quality of life. Then we have effects on communication. It makes it hard to hear and understand conversations. It can lead to misunderstandings. Then we have effects on animals. Disturbs wildlife communication and behavior, especially in the parks. And also it can cause animals to migrate or leave their habitations. Affects breeding and survival. Then we have effects on productivity. It reduces efficiency at work or school. It increases errors due to lack of concentration. Then lastly, we have effects on environment. It disrupts on the natural balance of ecosystems, interferes with animal navigations and feedings. And then we look at the last thing, how we can control noise pollution. It is air pollution. It is noise pollution.
It's noise pollution.
Sorry. It is noise pollution. So here we control at the source, we control at the path, and we control what? We control at the source, we control along the path, and we control what? At the receiver. This noise is coming from somewhere. That's the what?
The source.
It's being transmitted along the path, then to the receiver, the consumer. Yes. So let's look at control at the source. How we can control noise pollution at the source. So we maintain vehicles and machines regularly to reduce noise. Then we use also silencers in engines. We replace all noise equipment with modern quiet ones. Then we reduce unnecessary hooting. Then when we come to controlling at the path or along the path, here we plant trees and create green belts to absorb what? The sounds. Here also we build noise barriers along the walls, we build noise barriers on walls along the road and the industries. Again, we use soundproof materials in buildings. Then when we come to control at the receiver, here we use the earplugs or the earmuffs in noisy places. Also, soundproof materials in buildings. Also, we close windows and doors to reduce the outside noise. I'm almost done. Then, another way of controlling noise pollution is laws and regulations. Enforcing limits on noise levels, restricting the use of loudspeakers, especially at night, controlling noise from industries and construction sites. So we are aware of the NEMA regulation on noise, Cynthia? Yes, and the penalty in case one has committed the offense, Cynthia?
Yes.
Yes. Then the last point of controlling noise pollution is public awareness. Here we educate people about the dangers of noise pollution. We encourage responsible behavior, e.g. low volumes and less hooting. That's the end of my presentation. Any question after that point? Mediatrix, you seem to be having a question. Please ask.
Maybe just to give a compliment.
Yes.
Your presentation has been so good.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's been audible.
Thank you. Thank you so much.